Hello everyone and welcome to our video series on Learn English for Beginners. In this lesson, you will learn a few greetings in English. Throughout the video, we will be working on this pattern. The English word will appear in red, whereas the translation will follow in blue. So let's begin. Lesson 1. Birinci ders. Today's topic, greetings. Greetings. Selamlar. Please repeat after me and follow my pronunciation. Benden sonra tekrar et. Hello. Hello. Merhaba. Hi. Hi. Selam. Biri size hello derse siz de hi dersiniz. Hello John. Hi Peter. Good morning. Good morning. Günaydın. Sabahları birini görüp good morning dersiniz, daha kibar görünürsünüz. Good morning. Enjoy your breakfast. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. İyi günler. Good afternoon. What would you like to order? Good evening. Good evening. İyi akşamlar. For example, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good night. Good night. İyi geceler. For example, good night, my son. Bye. Bye. Hoşça kal. See you. See you. Görüşürüz. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Yarın görüşmek üzere. See you on Monday. See you on Monday. Pazartesi görüşürüz. See you soon. See you soon. Yakında görüşürüz. Görüşmek üzere. See you later. See you later. Sonra görüşürüz. Daha sonra görüşmek üzere. See you again. See you again. Tekrar görüşürüz. Now we will be summarizing all the greetings and all the forms that we have learned in this video. I will be reading out all the greetings we have done. Please repeat them after me. So, here we go. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good night. Bye. See you. See you tomorrow. See you on Monday. See you soon. See you later. See you again. Thanks. Teşekkürler. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more, subscribe to my channel.